guys in the honorability of Horizon Combat.
Oh, what are you doing?
I've set an additional timer on my radio. A stopwatch.
Okay.
I'm going to fly for 8 minutes.
All right.
I've got a 5,000 success, which should be able to do it, right?
I think you can. You just said.
They did 20 minutes on a 7.
If I can do a 10-minute flight, if I can do a 10-minute flight with my Hawk with that same setup.
10 minutes.
Yeah.
With what battery?
4030C.
All right, so we're gonna try. I'm just gonna try.
You can do it easy. You can do it easy. But don't cut in front of me. I'm going up now. What are you doing?
I'm just gonna chill over there.
Okay.
They have nice and high, doing very controlled.
Let's see, but
we're gonna see.
That's boring though.
I was gonna see.
If you want to be able to, I mean, I was doing touch and goes and staying in the pattern, and we did it for 10 minutes.
I'm gonna try to do. This is gonna be an 8.
BAP!
Oh, did you put a stopwatch in the radio? Okay, so I'm gonna try. Let's go for 10 minutes. Let's go for 10 minutes. So here's what you gotta do. You ready to do a fly?
Take off flat.
I'm literally just gonna fly down, then fly off a little, go back.
Casey, I'm taxiing out.
How do you know when, like, I got my 5-minute main time, whatever. That's your motor time. But on my butt, I can control the second. So if I push that, second time goes.
Okay, taking off.
Okay, this is through all of that. Just stop.
Gear up, flaps up.
Fast slow pass from the left.
All right. Hey Ray, I'm gonna have to ask you to step back. You're actually over the line. It's very unsafe. Hey, Keon, can it be done? You think? 10 minutes. In the air with this
That's
guy.
easy.
With a 6S 5000.
If I can do it with the 4000, you for sure can.
Got a 5,000 milliamp hour.
No.
Almost a brand new battery.
But
Right?
listen.
Same battery. Well, mine's a different brand.
I was wondering. Ray,
What?
after you land, could you spot me?
Possibly, maybe. I gotta fly a lot before the sun goes down, though.
I'm gonna take off and go. All right?
Go.
Taxiing
Okay.
out.
Sia might have to land soon, though.
What?
Sia might have to land soon. I'm gonna do a low pass over you before you land, before you take off.
This is gonna be maximum efficiency. Take it off.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Nice and efficient.
I think I got a servo getting weak.
30 seconds.
Yeah, I think I do.
This
Got
is
it.
max. Look at this efficient flying, right?
It's awesome.
This is so exciting. This one's-
Okay, come on in. I'm landing behind you.
This one's exciting flying on.
Yeah, I got a servo getting weak.
9, 8, 7, 6. Gear down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired.
Need to do touch and goes. I'm sure I could do a 10-minute touch and goes at that time.
I just want to see what, like, the
Landing flaps.
theoretical, like under,
You're good. Just taxi back.
these are pretty ideal conditions. Very little wind, just cruising up high. Can you actually get? That's a pretty reasonable.
You guys want to play golf?
I'm landing right now.
I'm testing whether or not you can actually get like above a 10-minute flight on this plane.
I'm landing right now.
I'm just cruising. No, I'm taking it really, really easy.
After I land, come on up.
I didn't even take off.
I'm landing, Mike.
Flaps up.
I'm taxiing back.
I went almost exactly half throttle. I'm just literally flying it with the right stick.
All good. All right, I think it's time to fly the F-35. You're clear.
Why does this